If your Beko dishwasher has suddenly stopped and is displaying the Beko E01 error code, you're likely feeling frustrated and wondering what this code means. Let me guide you through understanding and tackling the issue. The Beko E01 error typically signals a problem with the water supply, often meaning the dishwasher isn't able to get the water it needs to run properly. This could be due to a blockage in the water inlet, a kinked hose, or even a more complex issue with the dishwasher's internal components. First, let's take a look at some basic troubleshooting steps. Start by checking that the water supply to your dishwasher is fully turned on. If the valve connected to your dishwasher's water line is partially closed or not turned on at all, the machine won't receive enough water, leading to the Beko E01 error. Make sure the valve is completely open. This might sound simple, but sometimes a small oversight is the root of the problem. Next, inspect the water inlet hose for any visible kinks or bends. If the hose is bent or compressed, it can restrict water flow, triggering the Beko E01 error. Straightening out the hose may solve the problem. Also, ensure there are no leaks in the hose. A damaged hose can reduce water pressure and disrupt the water supply, which might cause the error code to appear. If everything looks good with the hose and valve, the issue might be with the water inlet filter. Over time, this filter can get clogged with sediment or debris, impeding water flow. To check this, unplug your dishwasher, turn off the water supply, and locate the filter, usually where the water inlet hose connects to the machine. Carefully remove the filter, rinse it under running water to clear any clogs, and reinstall it. Afterward, restore power to your dishwasher and see if the Beko E01 error has been resolved. However, if none of these steps work, the problem may be with the dishwasher's internal components, such as a faulty water inlet valve or an issue with the control board. At this point, it's best to contact a qualified technician. They'll have the right tools and expertise to diagnose and fix any more complex issues. In summary, the Beko E01 error code usually relates to water supply problems. By following these steps, checking the water valve, inspecting the inlet hose, and cleaning the water filter, you may be able to get your dishwasher back up and running without the need for professional assistance.